watching this video. 100% sure I'm gonna make you sneeze before this video ends. Question 1. Tell me an animal you like. If you said cat, you're out. Sorry, I'm allergic to cats. Question 2. Pick between summer or winter. If you said winter, you lost. Too easy to catch a cold that time of year. I know you already lost, but fine. Freddy's got your back this time.
Hold your breath and tap the like and subscribe buttons. If you can do it, I'll give you 1 extra life in this challenge.
Question 3. Now it's no mercy. Watch these gifs without going. Question 4. Click share, then more. Who's the second person that pops up? If it's your best friend, you're out. Careful, don't make them sneeze too. And now, for the final part, I need your help. Open the comments and drop this emoji to help.